Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, or actually tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any photo assigned. So let's tap on the circle or the camera icon, and now you can either take a photo and your device will immediately open the camera app, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will take a photo as I do not have any kind of photos on this device. So let me quickly just take a photo of this. All right. So now just tap on the stick icon. Hello, okay. And now in this step we can change the position of this highlighted square, we can change the size of it also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Now let's go back, now let's tap on this save icon in the right upper corner also. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.